Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to carry on where I left off from my last video, where I built this. If you haven't seen it, there will be a link down below. And due to the way I cut this up, I have got all the inserts still, so we're going to glue that back together and see if we can produce another item that we could sell, all for the same few slats of pallet wood. Let's get started. So let's start off this project and let's get these laid out and then get this stuff glued back together. So that's it sort of built. There's a few issues here that we can look at and here, so I think the idea will be to get this glued back together and then we will trim it back around with a jigsaw. The glue's now dried and it's still looking like a shot, but we're going to do some little tidy up from some of the joins. Let's get these clamps on to start off with. I've now got this to the point where I like the finish. You know, the nose being a bit more darker than the rest of it. In the last video I went for a spray lacquer, something that's quick. And I think for this time I'm going to try using this. I received this as a tester from Rustlins, and the last project I used it on, it came out really well, so I'm going to try it again on here. Now I need to let that dry and we'll come back and do another coat tomorrow. It's finished. What do you think? This is obviously part 2 of my last video, where I used 6 slats of pallet wood. I did the cutout and then I made this product behind me, and then with the leftovers I then glued them back together and I made this. So you can get a few different products out of this sort of method. You can make one so it actually has a nice contrast between colours, and you know, that a nice picture and wall art where you can sell them separately. You can do it for more than just this shark, like the hammerhead that's up here at the moment. You can use the same method, or the fish skeleton. You could also do that as well. So you could do a fish skeleton and then use the other cuts to make 2 products, just like the same method I used here. So you just have to think about it. As you can see, I found people on Etsy selling them for quite a lot of money as well, some of them. So they obviously do sell. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see another video just like this, I've queued one right here. Or if you'd like to choose from the playlist for my Etsy find builds and showing you how I make them, there'll be a link right here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.